Easy DIY.
Gotta go get some water. Here we go. First, we gotta get some ice here. What is that? It's like something flashing. Replace filter. Huh? I wonder what that is. Looks like we got like a little thing flashing here, like a little warning light. I don't know what this means. I don't know how to fix this.
Can we read it? Boy, that's hard to see.
It says replace filter, I think.
Oh, wait.
Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Replace filter.
Oh, wait a minute. There's a water drop on there. It wants us to replace the water filter.
Oh man, that sounds difficult. Like how are we supposed to do that?
I have an idea. And it's easy. And it's DIY. This is a job for easy DIY. Stay tuned. How to replace this water filter the easy way. Coming up.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Easy DIY. I am Ethan.
And I am Ron.
And in today's video, we're going to be showing you how to replace the water filter in your LG refrigerator. This is the French door style, but this could work for multiple different models, but this is going to be, the video is going to be tailored towards our specific model that we have here. So it should be pretty easy, pretty quick and easy install. So let's get right to the materials. Alright guys, so what you're going to need for this install is pretty simple. All you're going to need is just the water filter that fits your specific kind of fridge. So what we did, we just looked up the model of our fridge, which is it's an LG. Don't know exactly what model it is off the top of my head, but all you do is you find that, you look it up, and then you should find plenty of results, on the water filter that you need. This is actually the Pure Plus PPLT 1000P replacement filter, but it's going to be different for your certain fridge. So just make sure you get the right one, otherwise you're going to have to try to return it. So let's get on to the install. Should be pretty easy.
Okay, so step one, doing this the easy way. Again, we are going to replace the water filter. We got our flashing light over here that says our water filter needs replaced. Right here, you'll see that. And step one is to open the French door fridge. And oh my gosh, there's a lot of stuff in here. So you can see right here, this compartment actually holds the water filter. It kind of drops down out of there. So we are going to start step one by clearing out the space, giving us plenty of room. We don't want to knock over our leftovers and our coffee and all that stuff. So that would be a mess. We want to do this the easy way, not the hard way. So step one, we're going to clear out the space so we can work and not knock anything over. Here we go. Okay, so now you can see we got our area all cleaned out here, and on our model, actually there's a little label over here that says push, and that makes all the difference. So if you push in that designated space on both sides, it actually comes down pretty easily, and voila, there's your water filter. So now that we have it open and revealed, we're just going to give this, I guess we're turning it counterclockwise, and it just should pop right out of there. So we are going to throw this old filter away and move on to installing the new filter. So far so good, really easy. And before we get too far with our installation, we do want to go ahead and flip the ice makers. We have two in our fridge, so you'll see it's on, you flip it to off, and then there's also one down here. We already turned that one to off. You just don't want, we want to be able to flush the new filter, so you don't want the ice to actually run and make ice with the new filter before we flush it. So we're going to turn them off just temporarily, and we're going to flush our water. Then we're going to turn it back on, and we'll be good. Okay, here we go. On to step two. Actually, I guess this is 3, 2.5. It's so easy, I lost track. So we're going to unbox this filter. You can see, get the right size filter. Again, if you just search on the internet, we happen to use Amazon, and we just put our model number of our fridge in there, and we found the right water filter. So we are going to go ahead and unbox this, and we're just going to go ahead and install it. It's that easy. So you really just have to line, you can see there's these plastic pieces here, they just have to kind of line up with the openings up here. You kind of feel when that, fits in place. Then you're going to want to lock it by turning it clockwise, and it should just lock right in there. There you go. And that's it. We are done. We're going to go ahead and snap her back up in place, put this cover back on, and our new filter is installed.
Alright guys, so now that the new filter is installed, you're going to have to reset this little light here. It doesn't do it automatically. So on our specific fridge, it comes down to this button that says water filter and filter reset. And you're just gonna wanna go ahead and hold this down for 3 seconds. And there you go, that's gonna reset your filter light so that's not blinking anymore. And you know, you got a nice clean filter in there. Pretty easy.
Okay, so now that our install is done, we got the new filter in there. We are actually gonna flush about 2 gallons of water through this new filter, get all the yucky stuff out of there and get everything flowing. So again, we do about 2 gallons. So we're gonna do that now. Yeah, this one clears. All right, so we got the filters installed, water's flushed through. We did about 2 gallons, so we're good. We're gonna go ahead and turn the ice makers back on. Well, again, we have 2. We have one on the top and one on the bottom, and that is it. Easy as that. You got a new filter in, and you're gonna have some nice fresh water and ice.
All right, guys, so thank you so much for watching today's Easy DIY video. If you did enjoy, do make sure to smash the like button. Make sure to subscribe and comment down below. We're always looking through the comments, so if you have any questions, concerns, comments, really anything you want, just go ahead and suggestions, put it down below, and we'll definitely read it and get back to you. So, also, this was for the water filter. If you do need the air filter replaced on the same kind of fridge, we also do have a video for that. I'll link it up in the corner there for you. But that's all we have for you today. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll catch you next time. Peace.
See you later. Peace out.